Good morning, YouTubes. Another day, another dollar. So today we are in a small town called Ashton, which is in Ontario, just west of Ottawa, and it is about 9:20 in the morning. And a very cute little town. Lots of, was it 3 or 4 churches with nice steeples. There's a cute pub, the Ashton pub. Highly recommend it. And yeah, we're just gonna go out and explore, see what we can get, see if we can make a nice little montage. So we're cold again, about -10, and pretty windy, so not the greatest conditions, but let's see what we can get. So I'm going to be a lot happier when my fingers can last longer than the battery. So cold out there again today. Lasted about 3 minutes before my fingers started falling off. It was a bit too windy. Bit too cold. I will be happy when. I would have liked to get closer to the steeple. Some nice cinematic shots around the steeple, but it was just too cold. I couldn't really get close so I could see it properly. So that's that.